Growing your stream can be a challenge. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 free tools that's going to help you grow your stream faster. Let's go ahead and dive in. So creating content can be a challenge. That's why the first free tool that I'm going to recommend to you guys is called CapCut. It's a free all-in-one video editor that is extremely easy to be able to utilize. But one of the biggest things that I love about it the most is that you're able to use it directly in your browser, on your desktop, and on your mobile. So you're able to edit all the content that you need on your mobile, and it gives you access to over 500,000 music songs, stickers, filters, effects, text, and even templates, making it easy for you to be able to edit your gaming content to post on social media. And I'll go ahead and put a link in the description of this video for CapCut. Our next tool is going to be VidIQ. This is going to allow you to be able to go ahead and learn about keywords, about titles, topics. It's going to allow you to have so much access to be able to know the kind of content to be able to make. And this is going to be a free tool that you're able to utilize. It's going to give you access to daily ideas, so you don't have to guess of what content you need to make. It's going to go ahead and give you access to be able to use a bot to be able to help you with titles, descriptions, scripts for videos. It's ultimately going to allow you to be able to go ahead and get title ideas for your content, for your streams, so that people are able to click on your content and be more interested in the content that you're doing. So that's going to be VidIQ. Our next tool is going to be featured.chat. This is a cool way to be able to go ahead and highlight certain chats for your stream to give people some excitement to see their name pop up on stream. And this is what it would actually look like. Somebody will go ahead and comment, and then you're able to go ahead and utilize the tool to be able to pop up their exact comment on your stream right when you click it. So that's going to be featured.chat. And again, I'll put the link in the description of this video. The next tool is an amazing tool. It's going to call Ecamm Vertical Plugin. This is an amazing tool because it's going to allow you to be able to go ahead and take whatever it is that you're streaming inside of OBS Studio in horizontal mode to Twitch, to Facebook, to YouTube, and at the same time create a vertical version that's already customized for TikTok, for Shorts, to allow you to be able to grow your stream. And again, that's going to be a free download that you're able to utilize inside of OBS Studio. And then our next tool is going to be PhotoPea. This is going to be a Photoshop version that is free for you to be able to go ahead and create graphics and utilize it to create thumbnails or images for social media. And all of those tools that I went ahead and mentioned are going to be in the description of this video. Now, if you want to go ahead and be able to grow your stream even faster, go ahead and click this playlist right here where I'll walk you step by step on how to grow your stream on social media, how to be able to get more viewers, how to get your chat engaged. Go ahead and watch that playlist for a free training on how to grow as a streamer. I'll see you guys in the next video.